Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, August 31st. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT. And today we're going to be looking at the chart of Ethereum. This is a 1 hour time frame. Alright, so let's take a look here. We got with A here. This is the intermediate degree. So you can see in the subdivision partially seen here as a 5 ways down. 3, 4, and a 5 here can be seen in the in the 1 hour chart. The wave B already ended here 1725 as a zigzag APC, and then now we are within the C leg to the downside. Now within the C leg, this low here, you can see also a clear 5 wave subdivision. Now because the C leg, the length of the C leg for now still is shorter than the A leg, and we're gonna take a look at a larger time frame here so that you can have an idea. So I'm going to copy the A and the B in the daily. So this is your A here, and the B here is this one. So if you look at the daily, then this is clear, this is the starting point of the A. So because we are labeling this as an AB, technically speaking, then that means eventually once this is complete, the APC is done, we should be going up again. So what we are saying here then is in the larger degree that this low here, as long as we stay above this low, this rally, it looks like a 5 waves, right? So you can label this whatever you want, whether you want to label it as an A or a 1, right, in the larger time frame. So let's call this for now, right? For now, let's call it either an A or a 1. Okay, so once the ABC here is done, right, once this ABC here is done, then we could actually continue to go up again. Eventually it's going to break above 2042 and rally again, right? So the only thing here is that the C leg, which is your third leg, still not yet equal to the A leg, so we still cannot rule out another leg down again as long as we stay below 1725. However, as you know, sometimes the C leg doesn't necessarily have to reach equality, right? Sometimes the C leg can be shorter. That's what we call truncation in our company, right? Sometimes it can truncate and then finish here and then starts to rally to the upside. So I think if it breaks and close above this trend line, which is where we are, and solid close above the trend line, that actually suggests this cycle could be completed without having to reach the 100% extension. So in fact, if Ethereum, yeah, it stays over here and it close solid close without breaking down immediately, then there is a possibility that that actually we finish the C here, right? Now of course we still need to break above A here to confirm that this is really complete, the 3 years pullback, and the next leg higher has started, right? Because it could be, for example, another option would be W here and X here, right? And then a Y leg. But the correction so far has been quite deep already. If you take a look from the lows to the high, the correction is already 50%. So in other words, yeah, we could be truncated and we could be finished with B or with 2, and then starts the next leg up. So it is not it's not necessarily bearish, even though we are calling another leg down just because the C is not yet equal to the A. So you need to take into account the idea in the larger time frame that eventually we actually like more upside as long as we stay above this June 19 low, at least one more leg higher, right? So let's suppose that, you know, for hypothetical purpose, let's suppose that we finish the correction and you can call it B or 2, all right, whatever it is. So let's say B, let's say this is ending B, then the C leg technically can go higher into equality, right? So for example, if you just simply mention the extension, C equal A can bring it up to, let's say, 25 to 76. If we break and close above this trend line and this cycle is over and we're not going to be doing double and it can break above here, then it could technically go to 2576, which is huge, right? I mean the current price is only 1586, so 2576 is almost like a $1,000 rally, right? So which is huge. So just keep that in mind, what the expectation is in the medium term for the Ethereum here. Okay, so for now this is what we are calling, but remember the larger time frame is also equally important to understand what we expect. All right, so if you want further updates on cryptos, forex, indices, and stocks, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.